Guys, to be a good service technician, that's our goal here. Now, the good service technician knows his tools, he knows what information to gather, he knows what parameters he's looking for, and he knows what procedures to get those parameters. Now, again, good service is almost a lost art. So I'm trying to recreate in people that unction on the inside that says, I want to be the best service technician that I can be. And to do that, I got to know how to perform service. Service technician has got to have a good knowledge base. Now that knowledge base is going to entail, again, about 3 different facets: mechanical, electrical, and airflow. And we're going to... Service call number 1, 2, and 3. 3 different types of problems, but they have something common going on, that heat pump's not doing exactly what the customer anticipated for it to do. Service call number 1. There's a Goodman packaged heat pump. It's a 1424 H41. And guys, when I have that information, I've got to have a plan to go with it. Now, I want you to listen to what the customer had to say, and I'm going to show you in the lab exactly what information that we need to have for its temperatures and pressures. Service call that comes through that says this: the heat pump is blowing cool air, then warm air. The unit never shuts off. So now we need to take the information off the unit and see if we can figure out exactly what's going on. Is it or is it not doing its job? So filling out our troubleshooting guide, 16 pieces of information. Let's get started. So we get our static pressure, which is running at about a 0.29 to 0.3. We go to our blower speed, and it's an X13. We see what tap it's on. It's on tap number 3. So the yellow wire coming from the contactor comes down to tap number 3 on the control module. Now let's take a look at our suction pressure. Look at our gauges. The gauge is showing to be about 135 psig. This is the common suction right now, 48. So common suction number 8 is 48 degrees. Let's punch up the outdoor coil suction, and it's also running 48 degrees. Now guys, there's about 16 pieces of information that I gather and calculate. A visual of what exactly is going on. Notice those first 2. I've got 48 on the outdoor coil suction and 48 on a common suction. There is no temperature differential between those 2. Why? Is that a good valve? You don't know that. But we've got normal superheat. So guys, do I need to add refrigerant to this thing? Heaven's sakes, no. Billy Bob, put your refrigerant back on the truck. We don't need refrigerant in this guy. Let's sum all this up. Low capacity, high suction pressure, low head pressure, low discharge line temperature, superheat is normal, subcooling is running low. Guys, don't roll the dice to diagnose. Know the proper procedure.